Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to day 3 of Power to Break Free and Rise. I am Jalpa Joshi, your mindset coach and a voice behind Freedom Daughter Tribe. I am so proud of you all for showing up again for yourself. In day 1, we covered the powerful truth you are not behind, you are being prepared. And in day two, we got one more new truth, which is about perfection that you don't need to be perfect to be powerful. And today I have come up with one more new power truth. And this truth is clarity doesn't come from overthinking, it comes from taking action. Let's sink into it. So many of us keep on thinking, planning, journaling, doubting, waiting for clarity to come magically and arrive to us. But we should ask this: what's my purpose? Should I do this or not? What if I fail? What if I am not doing enough? ये सारे क्वेश्चंस मेरे भी दिमाग में आते थे। मैं भी इसी तरह आप लोगों की तरह ओवर थिंकिंग ऑन मैटर्स कि ये मुझे करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, मेरे लिए अच्छा होगा बुरा होगा, क्या पता मैं इसमें फेल हो जाऊंगी, फिर से लोग सोचेंगे कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाती, मैं वो नहीं कर पाती, एंड सो मैनी डाउट्स, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डाउट्स I never took any bold actions. Like even when I was doing job, I used to always play safe. Safe in the sense कि काम करना है बट बहुत सेफ्टी से, कि कहीं कहीं ऐसा ना होए कि एक हाई जंप लेने के बदले मैं डाउन हो जाऊं, या अगर मुझे बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है और मैं उस बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए इंटरव्यू देने जाऊं, कि फिर ये सिक्योर जॉब पकड़ के रखूं. Yani overthinking never led me to take any action of growth, because unless you take an action to move ahead, how are you going to move ahead? Like it's like driving a car. Like you are driving a car and you just keep on moving on a same speed, you will take longer time to reach to your goal or your destination. यू विल हैव टू रेज योर स्पीड, राइट? और ये स्पीड बढ़ाने के पहले इतना ज्यादा ओवर थिंकिंग, इतना ज्यादा प्लानिंग, कि अल्टीमेटली माई माइंड यूज टू कन्विंस मी कि हमें ये करना ही नहीं है, बिकॉज इट हैज लॉट ऑफ रिस्क एंड कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि ये हो ही जाएगा, शायद ये ना भी हो. सो ओवर थिंकिंग led me to have lot of confusion. And when I started taking action, when I started believing in myself, the clarity hit. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि बिकॉज मुझे ये क्लियर पड़ता है कि यही होगा तो ही मैं करूंगी. क्लैरिटी डजेंट कम लाइक दैट. मैं भी वही करते रहती थी, बार बार प्लानिंग बनाओ, फिर उसको डिलीट करो, बिकॉज आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट इन माई ब्रेन, और सोच सोच के इतना काम कर लिया कि थक गए. बस सोचते ही रहे और थक गए. एंड देन उसके बाद क्या कहना था, क्लैरिटी नहीं आई यार, बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑलवेज इन थॉट. बट जब मैंने फर्स्ट स्टेप लिया, जब मैंने कहा कि चलो लेट्स सी ये फ्यूचर अपने लिए है कि नहीं, चलो लेट्स गो एंड ट्राई. जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम एक मैसी स्टेप लिया, व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री ऑफ कोचिंग, व्हेन आई डिड माय फर्स्ट वीडियो after a lot of thinking, but when I did my first video, and when after 2 3 videos I got like, I understood that it is about action. It is not about thinking in my head. When I had my first client and I took action and they got benefited out of it, I understood that taking action is one of the biggest thing I need to do. Now, overthinking led to all the confusion and actions led to clarity. This is a major truth. Joe, we don't take it into consideration. I did a lot of inner work. I did a lot of journaling to get myself understand what I need to take action on. So today I want to help you move out all the fogs in your mind and get a soul which is flowing with action. So grab a journal and let's answer these few questions. The first question is, where in my life am I stuck in overthinking? कहाँ पे मैं अपनी लाइफ में सिर्फ ओवर थिंक कर रही हूँ बट मैं एक्शन कुछ भी नहीं ले रही हूँ उसके लिए. Where in my life am I stuck in overthinking. Take some time and definitely write answers for this. The second question, which you will have to answer, is what is one small action I can take this week towards what I want? So you will promise that you have to take one action and what that one action will be. This will help to move you towards closer to your clarity, closer to knowing what exactly and how will you achieve that. The third question, which we should reply, is what am I afraid will happen if I take a messy action? लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर गलत हो गया तो, मिस्टेक हो गई तो, अगर मैं फेल हो गई तो, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं ना दिमाग में। पर अगर ऐसा हो भी गया तो क्या, व्हाट विल हैपन? द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट कैन हैपन इज सांस बंद हो जाएगी। बट डू यू थिंक कि कुछ भी करने से इतना लास्ट आ जाएगा? जस्ट राइट इट डाउन कि व्हाट विल हैपन इफ यू टेक अ मेसी एक्शन। Remember, overthinking often is a trauma response. So what happens when overthinking? Sometimes in life हमने कुछ डिसीजंस लिए होते हैं जो फेल हो जाते हैं। जैसे मैंने मेरे करियर के लिए कुछ ऐसे स्टेप्स लिए थे, leaving some jobs and then COVID hitted and then I was jobless for a good span of time. So I thought कि every time you leave a job you might have a situation where you won't have any income. But when I started taking action, when I sat down and I constantly tried to find a new job, I got it, right? So ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं मिलेगा, बट ये ट्रॉमा रह जाता है। एंड देन हमारा जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है while we overthink is from the point of view of that trauma, which creates a point where we decide that okay, I don't want to do this, and we don't take action. The main thing is that overthinking makes us feel safe, but it doesn't heal us. The inner voice keeps on coming back. What if? नहीं किया तो? फिर थोड़े दिन बाद ये लगता है हाँ नहीं करना चाहिए था। फिर थोड़े दिन बाद वापस आ जाता है, यार ये क्या चल रहा है? आई नीड टू ग्रो, आई नीड टू डू समथिंग, आई नीड टू टेक एक्शन, राइट? सो overthinking only gives us some kind of a safety for the temporary time, but doing gives us healing and that stays with us. What we need is healing, not safety. Because safety is just a temporary measure. If you are healed completely, you can even be calm in the storm. You understand that you can be a calm in the storm around you only if you are healed, if you are aligned with yourself. So, the power affirmations which I want to give you for today to anchor this truth which we have learned today is that clarity flows when I move. I don't need all the answers in the beginning. Now, this one, I can tell you that I don't need all the answers in the beginning because you only need to take the first step. You don't need to know the whole ladder. Ki where is it going and how is it going? When you take the first step, the next step is clear to you. And that is what we need. We are not going to climb the ladder up from first to fifth floor directly. We will have to go to first, second, third floor, right? So we just need to know the next step. So I don't need all the answers to begin with. Action begins with the alignment, and alignment is within us, it's not outside somewhere. We try lot of times to get alignment outside. अगर इसने ये किया तो मेरा ये अच्छा होगा, इसने वो किया तो ये होगा, it's not like that. It's your own alignment which will lead. It's not about others, it's about us. मैं सोच से ज्यादा अपनी चाल पर भरोसा करती हूँ. सो आई बिलीव मोर ऑन एक्शन एंड नॉट ऑन ओवर थिंकिंग. एवरी स्टेप आई टेक clears the path for me. Pause and feel this shift. Use these affirmations every day, and you will really realize how powerful they are. So, if you have been stuck in a loop, what if? Change this sentence with even if. Don't wait to feel clear and then act. Act to get clarity. This is very powerful. Don't wait to feel clear to act. Act to feel clear. Start messy. Start afraid. But start. What next can you do? So, now for the next one, please subscribe for and hit the bell icon for my day 4, which is your past does not define your power. Comment below what action have you been avoiding because of overthinking. DM Clarity on Instagram for private coaching and breakthroughs. Your clarity lives on the other side of the movement. मैं मिलूंगी आपसे कल ऑन द डे 4 पावरफुल सच के साथ. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस एंड राइज एनीवेज. थैंक यू.